AI isn't replacing people, it's splitting them. Right now, quietly, the economy is dividing into two groups: not technical versus non technical, not smart versus average, but something much more dangerous. In the AI economy, there are only two types of people: operators and task executors. And your future income depends on which one you become. The clear divide. Let's define this clearly. Task executors use AI to complete tasks. They ask ChatGPT to write emails, summarize documents, fix code, improve resumes, generate captions. Their productivity increases, but their economic position mostly unchanged. They are still trading time for money. Now, operators use AI to build systems. They automate workflows, create AI-driven services, build content engines, design repeatable processes, turn one idea into 50 outputs. They don't just complete tasks, they create leverage, and leverage scales. Why this matters? Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI makes executors more efficient, but it makes operators exponentially powerful. One person with systems can now outperform small teams. One creator with automation can publish like a media company. One consultant with AI workflows can serve 5x more clients. This is not about using AI, it's about owning leverage. And the gap between these two groups will widen every year. What most people are doing and why? Most people stay task executors. Why? Because it feels productive. You use AI. You get results faster. You feel ahead, but you're still reacting, still completing assignments, still dependent on someone giving you work. AI becomes a better tool, not a strategic advantage. And tools don't change your income bracket. Systems do. What operators actually do? Operators think differently. They don't ask, how can AI help me do this faster? They ask, how can AI remove me from this entirely? Let's look at examples. A task executor writes LinkedIn posts using AI. An operator builds a content system, topic research prompt, script generator, carousel generator, repurposing engine, scheduling workflow. Now 1 hour becomes 30 pieces of content. A task executor uses AI to analyze data. An operator builds a dashboard automation that pulls data, cleans it, summarizes it, sends reports automatically. Same tool, different mindset. One increases efficiency. The other builds leverage. The leverage principle. Leverage means your effort continues producing results after you stop working. If you must show up every day to earn, you're executing. If systems generate output, even when you're offline, you're operating. AI is the greatest leverage amplifier we've ever seen, but only if you structure it that way. Otherwise, you just work faster. And faster work doesn't equal financial freedom. The transition: executor, operator. So how do you move? 3 shifts. Shift 1. Think in workflows, not prompts. Stop asking for isolated outputs. Design repeatable processes. Shift 2. Productize your knowledge. Turn what you know into templates, systems, digital products, automated services. Shift 3. Measure output per hour. How much value did my hour create? Not how busy was I. Operators optimize for output. Executors optimize for activity. The hard reality: AI will not replace you, but someone using AI better than you will. The person building systems will outpace the person completing tasks. Not because they're smarter, but because they understand leverage. This shift is already happening quietly. And in 3 to 5 years, it will be obvious. The question is not whether AI will reshape work. The question is, will you be positioned on the leverage side or the replaceable side? Identity. Be honest with yourself right now. Are you operating or just executing? Comment one word, operator or executor. Let's see where this audience stands. And if you want to move from executor to operator, subscribe, because that's exactly what we build here.